Shut up and sit down.
Essay on Unity in Diversity. Unity in Diversity essay for students and children. The term unity in diversity is used to describe harmony and unity among various dissimilar individuals. These dissimilarities may arise due to religious outlook, political beliefs, culture, and tradition. Furthermore, the concept is known by various other terms such as unity without uniformity and diversity without fragmentation. The term may have originated as a deterrent against war and conflict among humans. The earliest recorded instance of this idea dates back to around 400 to 500 BC by the indigenous people of North America. The term can also be much older, rising with the rise of society and civilizations. Moreover, humans by nature are very diverse and it is a permanent condition. Hence, conflicts are quick to arise due to these differences. Over the years, humans have taken part in many wars, with the most infamous being the two world wars. In modern times, the Middle Eastern conflicts that had taken place in the last 2 decades are an example of conflict arising due to differences in ethnic groups. From a grammatical perspective, the statement unity in diversity is rather intriguing. This is because the statement is an oxymoron made up of two antonyms, unity and diversity. Interestingly, the term has a profound influence in politics, with the first ever recorded usage by Ernesto Teodoro Moneta, a pacifist and a Nobel Peace Prize laureate. Later, the concept was incorporated by the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, in his work, The Discovery of India. He also promoted this idea activity, declaring that it was of utmost importance for the growth and prosperity of India. In the United States, a version of this term exists, which is called E pluribus unum, which is Latin for one out of many or out of many one. It generally appears as a motto above the Great Seal, a seal used by a head of state to authenticate important and legal documents. In conclusion, the term unity in diversity has vast and far-reaching implications. It is primarily used to deter wars and promote peace among various groups of individuals and nations.